I just got my pop on veneers in the mail yesterday. I got these for my confidence because if you can't tell, I have baby teeth and then I have a gap, and my gums are my teeth didn't be right with my gums or something. I don't know, but these pop on veneers make me feel so much better about myself. And what they do is you order them, and then you can get 2 day shipping for your impression kit. And then after your impression kit, you send it back off, and then they'll make them to fit your teeth perfectly. And it takes around 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks. And they'll send you a model of your impressions. And see, this was my bottom teeth impressions, and then these are my bottom pop on veneers, and they fit perfectly. Same thing with my tops. This is my impression of my a model of my impressions, and these are my top teeth. I've been telling everyone about them. My friend Jaden is thinking about getting them. He looked at the website yesterday, so that's pretty cool that I'm putting people on to these. But this is how they look. Look at that. That is crazy. And this is natural white, so this filter make them look a little bit whiter, but I would put a clip in how they look with no filter. Um, so yeah, and then they send you a toothbrush and Britannia cleaner tablets, cute little case for your veneers, and then a mirror. Who doesn't love a mirror? And that's all. And that's the tea.